It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. In March of 2023, Google announced that anyone with a Google One subscription plan would have access to their VPN services on all devices. Today I'm going to show you how to set that up on your mobile Android phone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Google One VPN on your smartphone, and then I'm going to show you how to put it in quick settings on your phone so you'll be able to access it easily to turn it on and off. You'll want to stick around till the very end, and I'm going to discuss my feelings about Google One VPN and should you use it or not. So let's get on with this tutorial. All right, let's see how to install Google One on an Android phone. Before you, I have my Pixel 6 phone, and I'm going to install Google One, which will allow me to install the VPN. So let's see how it's done. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Play Store, and I'm going to come over here and we're going to open up the Play Store, and then we're going to look for Google One. And here it tells us we have Google One VPN, and we're going to install actually the Google One app. Okay, so we're going to open this, and this tells us let's look for the VPN. So let's have a look at this. We're going to start the VPN. You'll see the VPN here. Now we've downloaded the app onto the phone. We're going to click this for the VPN to start. Now, what we can do is we can, of course, turn the VPN on by simply clicking this. And Google One wants to set up a VPN connection that allows you to monitor network traffic. Only accept it if you trust the source. We're going to say OK. And you'll see at the top it says VPN is connecting. And now it tells me the VPN is connected and my online activity is private. It also tells us that the VPN on your Android device, you can reduce the online tracking by hiding your IP address, stay protected from hackers on unsecured networks, and browse the web with a secure and private connection. Now, this as well has a section for viewing apps. When a VPN is on, we can update the settings. And as I've showed you before, you can come down, and these are the apps that are on my Pixel 6 phone. Now let's say, for example, I want to use the Auto Trader app, but it doesn't work well with the VPN. Maybe it won't, it needs to know my location. There's some reason why it just doesn't work with that. If I click the plus button here, you'll see that the Auto Trader is now in the apps that will bypass the VPN. So you can set up specific apps that you can use that will bypass the VPN. If you have problems connecting, which you sometimes can because the site may know that you're using a VPN and not allow you on that site. So this is how you bypass the VPN. Now you also can add VPN to quick settings. Turn on VPN from quick settings menu for easier access. Let's learn more. Now I want to show you how to use the VPN using the quick access settings so you don't have to go through the Google One app. So let's have a look and see how we're going to do this. Take your finger and I want you to scroll from the right down, and you'll see we come up with our settings menu here with quick access. If you come down to the right hand side, you'll see the little button for editing. Let's click this, and this now brings up all your apps. If you look at the edited menu here, you'll see that the top two features at the top are Internet and Screencast. So let me come down, let's scroll down here. And what we're going to do is we're going to find VPN by Google One. Let's take this and move it to the top. So I'm going to long press on it and hold it, and we're going to drag this up now, and let's drag it right up to the very, very, very top, and we're going to put it right at the top. So I can now turn on and off Google One simply by this button on my quick access menu. So let's get out of here. And we're back now to my home page. We're going to drag down from the top, and you'll see right at the top here, you'll see VPN by Google. If I want to turn the VPN on my phone, I just tap this, and it now is connected my VPN. And to disable that, I just click here, and it will disable the VPN. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please give us a like on thumbs up. If you want to see more high quality videos that we put out, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help us. Now let's get back to the tutorial. So what is Google One? Google One is a subscription services that offers a package of services from Google. If you look at this diagram, the most important is the storage. And most people purchase Google One for the extra storage. And as you can see, you get 100 gigabytes for about $20 a year. Then you get 200 gigabytes for $30 a year and 2 terabytes for $100 a year. Now, most people, if they have a Gmail account, have the standard 5 gigabits of storage. And oftentimes you want more. And for the vast majority of people, 100 gigabytes is just fine, which is simply $20 for the year. It used to be that that did not include the VPN service from Google, but the change is it does now. All the plans, you're able to use the VPN service, which makes it a great deal for you. So is this a VPN you should trust? Can Google see everything you do when you're connected to a VPN? Let me answer that. To put it simply, no. Google One's VPN is built in a way that it cannot track you on the network, and it cannot identify your personal information with your internet pathway. They use a system called blindsiding to provide a stronger guarantee that your network identity cannot be revealed. They do not log your IP address or network traffic. They have open source client libraries that are available for independent audit. And the independent audits are available for anyone to see. This is a very secure system. I think if you do require a VPN, I think this is a very good service for you and is available on all your devices with a Google One subscription.